Hey everybody, today we've got some really cool Ghost Rider cards at Monster Hobbies. These came out in the early 90s, and as you can see you got Ghost Rider there and some really weird artwork. Different characters the Ghost Rider's going up against. The back of the cards have descriptions of what's going on in here. As far as it was, here we got Ghost Rider fighting Spider-Man, which is really cool. Sorry for the glare on here. It's not too much I can do. Oh, maybe I can do that. So right there, you got Ghost Rider on his motorbike. That's the 90s really streamlined looking bike with the shield. Some really cool artwork in here. Let's see if I can find a year. 1992, Marvel Entertainment. You know, back in the day, Nicolas Cage played that Ghost Rider in the movie. And apparently they're making a new Ghost Rider that's going to star Nick Cage again. Now that he's got away from the bees. But anyway, yeah. So look forward to that. And while you're in Monster Hobbies, don't forget to check out these cards, as well as all our other collector cards that are for sale. Again, some really cool stuff. You can see a lot of these cards on our website, www.monster-hobbies.ca. So yeah, really neat. There's one here. And that's like the comic book cover for Ghost Rider. So again, some nice stuff. Let's see what it says on the back. The original Ghost Rider series ran from 1973 to 1983. So really awesome. And if you like more superheroes, I also have the Hulk under here. These ones are glow-in-the-dark Ghost Rider cards. And I've got, let's see, 5 of those. So, yeah, check them out. There's Hulk there. So, see what else we got at Monster Hobbies. And that is Bay number 1, 127 3rd Avenue Southwest, High River, Alberta. Phone number is 403-652-5019. Thanks for watching.